How to use a single Snapchat account on multiple devices. Hello, guys, and welcome back. If you want to use the same credentials or the same Snapchat account on different devices, then it is possible. For this, you just have to go to your Snapchat account that you're logged in, tap on the Bitmoji on the top left corner, go to the gear icon, scroll down to the bottom, and log out. Once you have logged out from your main device, now you can open any of the other device, download the Snapchat, and log in with the same credentials. However, there is a drawback, which means if you have opened a snap or photo from one device, it will not be again seen on another device. So you are only allowed to view the snaps in the account once. Also, once logged in one device, you might get logged out of the same account on another device. So that is all for today's update. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.